Hi, and today I'm going to be showing you what you can do with the I'm Feeling Lucky button on Google. So you start off by I'm going to show you this Google Gravity one. Sorry, I'm not that fast typer. Then click the I'm Feeling Lucky button, and yeah, it's like a Google Gravity. So I don't know if you can fully see this on my screen, but like I can wiggle stuff around, and so like the pieces of Google. My favorite one's probably the sign in button. Okay. Okay. And number 2 that I'm going to be showing you is it's oh darn it. Got Google spelled the wrong way around. Google space, then click the I'm Feeling Lucky button again, and then it's like in space. I think it's funny they can still search and search, like. I mean, you get the point. Yeah. And probably my favorite one, last one that I'm going to be showing you what is it's Google it's Google don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. Google Sphere. Google Sphere. Click the I'm Feeling Lucky button, and it's depending on the position of my mouse, this is how fast it goes, and yeah. So if I'm right on it, it barely spins. If I'm over here, it goes pretty fast, and over here, yeah. And that's going to be it for today. Sorry about that. And yeah, that's all the things that you can do with the I'm Feeling Lucky button. Oh, and if you click on it, it takes you to this site, which is called I can't remember the name of it. That one's interesting. Anyhow, that's it. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.